Hello, and we're going to be discussing in this video the Spaceship Shuttle Challenger and the tragedy that occurred and possible solutions of what could have been done differently in order to have prevented this tragedy. So the Spaceship Challenger was that of a shuttle that was part of an expedition to go into space and observe Halley's Comet. And this is an expedition that was taking place in 1986. The shuttle stayed in the air for 72 seconds before exploding and tragically killing the 7 passengers on board, that of which even included a school teacher. And the events of this were extremely tragic because of obviously the passengers losing their life, and this was a much anticipated shuttle as well that was set to leave and go into space, and so there was a lot of media coverage around it. So after thinking about maybe possible solutions, I honestly think that the biggest thing that it comes down to is doing product testing and equipment testing and doing it extensively. I really think that because of this problem that occurred, it was due to inadequate and insufficient equipment testing, and because of that, it obviously cost several people's lives and really shook the nation. And I would say from that tragedy that occurred, that really caused a lot of hesitancy in regards to doing space travel and giving funding to NASA. So out of this event, something that we can think about in regards to maintaining loyalty and respect to both the management perspective and also the common welfare and public welfare of those involved. So as far as the events that transpired there, if management of an establishment says, in this case with NASA, says, okay, the space shuttle is good to go and we can proceed forward, but if somebody knows for a fact that that's not the case, I think the biggest loyalty will lie within the public welfare of those involved. Because if, let's say, unfortunately in the situation of the space shuttle that did explode and killed the members due to insufficient testing and a verification of quality monitoring, then that's something that, regardless if management says it's okay, but it's not, I think that the biggest responsibility and loyalty needs to remain upon the safety and well-being of the public welfare.